you guys. So as you can tell by the title, you already know what we're gonna do. This is hair growth kit, and it's gonna be unboxing. I'm gonna be telling you guys what's in it, what it does, blah 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 blah. Of course, I'm not going through hair growth problems, but it's for somebody inside our family. It's in this present, but I was just like, why not do a video and spread the message? So most of the reason why hair growth does not happen, or if you creating a little bald spot or bald spots everywhere, is basically that the pore is closed and the hair is not able to get through. But with this derma roller or hair growth kit, it will be able to open up the pores and let your hair grow. And there's many videos that show proof, and I actually got this from Amazon, and I'm gonna tell y'all the real deal about it. So let's not wait anymore and let's get to the unboxing. Alright, so I don't know if I should not talk or talk, but mostly all of the other videos doesn't talk, and it's just awkward silence. And the reason why I get by is because I mean it's very satisfying to watch, but I'm gonna talk during this. So I already opened a little bit so I wouldn't struggle on camera. So we're just going the camera. Okay. So we're just going to open here. Here we are. The hair growth kit promotes thicker, fuller, healthier hair. It can be for men and women, so it doesn't matter if you're losing hair. I'm going to show you if this is actually legit or not. So let's see what's in here. Okay. This is very pretty. I'm sorry, this is very pretty. I love like little boxes, and this very good. Okay, so I think this is the oil that you put in your hair growth serum. So of course, so this is what it is. Retention, stored under normal temperature, keep away from children. This product is not suitable for pregnant women. Wash hands thoroughly after application. What else? How to use. It says wash your hair before use. Apply 2 drops of serum on your scalp or the affected area. Massage evenly and thoroughly into the scalp until you feel the serum has been absorbed. 2 to 3 minutes. So when it says 2 to 3 minutes, that means you should be rubbing it in for 2 to 3 minutes. So that is very nice. Okay, now what is this? Let's see. Okay, so they got the thing in here. So this is the roller that you will be using inside of your head or your hair. Yeah, so let's see if I can open it. Okay, you just had to open it up like a bag of chips. So here it is. So I'm gonna take it out. OMG, the sticker is so cute. So here's the Derma roller. If you look very closely, they have, let's see. Come on. They have little teeny like pointy things on there, like little teeny needles, like to the point where like you barely feel any pain. I'm pretty sure you won't feel any pain. Let's see what else is in here. Nothing. Just some bubble wrap. That's good. I love bubble wrap. I don't know what this is, so we're gonna have to see. And here's the paper on how to do it, what to do with it, how it works, how do you use the hair roller thing, how long does it take until you see results, blah blah blah. So I'm gonna give you a little look through. And yeah, so this is the rubber that goes on there, and this little thing right here. So let's open it and see. Okay, so there it is, the little roll. It looks like one of them lip glosses from years and years ago that I used to have. So here's the, okay, so it's a stainless steel roller balls. This will make sure how much you get inside the thing. That's about it inside of there. Have the roller, the ointment, or the hair growth serum. You put this inside of here, and this will make sure how much you get out of it or stop it. And that is literally all that's inside of the hair growth kit. It doesn't seem like much. Okay, so all of this is only $24 on Amazon, and it is the hair growth kit. Topic pink. I thought that you see it. So that is all in this unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you are having hair loss and you feel like, what do I do? What do I use? What can I do? You can order this. And I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing and me talking about this. And like I said, it's on Amazon and it's only 24 bucks. Let me know down below if you have ever used this before, or you're going to use it before, or you're using it and you're starting to see some progress. I want everybody to know that you can use this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and bye bye.